Because he's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because he's given Jesus Christ, His Son. How let the weak say, I am strong. Let the world say, I am rich, because what the Lord has done for us. Let the weak say, I am strong. Let the world say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Yes, we thank you, my Lord. Because our Lord, the great, we thank you. Everybody lift up your hands to the sky and sing with me. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord